Good evening, beautiful traders. Good evening, successful traders. Once again, you're welcome to Boom and Crash Home. You know that out here we give out powerful boom and crash scalping strategies, highly profitable trading robots for all pairs in the market, guys. Don't worry yourself. Before December, I'm working on something very powerful. This one is a promise. I'm gonna be doing a giveaway by December, so everybody stay connected. Invite your friends and family. If you know you have anybody that is losing money massively in the market, invite that person to this platform, because my giveaway is gonna kickstart by first week of December. It's gonna take throughout the first week of December. I'm gonna be giving out powerful indicators for making profits, so stay connected, guys. So guys, what you're looking at here is called the VUDU Spike Alert. This thing is called the VUDU Spike Alert. I have my reason, because this thing works like magic. You understand? It is not the regular spike detector system. This is a very sensitive spike detector system in the market, and it trades perfectly on boom and crash index. Guys, you see here, we just got our first confirmation. I'm going to show you how what the confirmation looks like. It is a sell signal, and it tells you how many pips. This indicator helps you calculate the pips. It helps you it analyzes the algorithm of the market, the flow of the market. I had to program something that is going to be outstanding, different from every other indicator you see on YouTube. You understand? This is on crash 1000, on crash 500 index. You understand? It tells you when to buy and when to sell. Guys, you know, on crash we are going to be selling. The zoom level does not really matter. It depends on how visible you want the chart to be. So we have gotten our sell confirmation here. The indicator that just told us to sell. It always tells you to sell. Guys, I want to tell you something. The reason I had to make indicators that are automated like this, I have some manual spike detector system that just have only arrows on the chart. Those things are very powerful, but I have to do something that a lot of people are not used to trading manually. They just want something that will make life easy, because they are already going through a lot in their various jobs, like where they work. You understand? Aside Forex, you know, a lot of people do other works aside, other jobs aside Forex. So they just want something that they can just sit by the screen. They will just click the sell, click the buy. They are not going to do the analysis. This indicator helps you to analyze the market automatically. You understand? This thing has an AI feature. I had to input an AI feature. If you check, there's no arrow on this chart. It has a triangle up and down, a triangle up and down. Now I'm going to tell you what this triangle does. If you look here, there's a triangle. Why we are waiting, we just got our sell confirmation. We are waiting for the spike to come up, because there's nothing coming up here other than spike. So while we are waiting for the spike to come up here in this market, I want to do a quick explanation of these triangles you're seeing. There is a triangle up at the top of the spike, and there's a triangle below the spike. Boom, we just got the spike now. We got the spike now. And now, let me shock you now. I'm not going to close this trade now. This spike is going to be more than this. I'm going to tell you how I know that the spike is going to be more than this. You understand? Let me show you how powerful this indicator is. This spike is going to be more than this. The spike is not just going to end here, because I've not gotten the close signal. The close signal now is the arrow. You see the triangle you're seeing at the top of the arrow. Each arrow in this market, look closely. There's a triangle at the top and there's a triangle below. So if you were selling, if you were buying, let me say you were buying, the market was going up. The moment you see the sell signal, which is the sell that at the top of the chart, that thing that tells you sell, that comes with a box, you see the white writing sell that comes up with the indicator. That is the indicator itself. The moment you see that thing telling you sell, you're going to open a sell confirmation with full assurance. That the second thing that is going to make you more rest assured that the market is going to sell, that the spike is going to come up here in this market, is the triangle that is going to come in the market. The moment you see that triangle, know the spike is coming in that same spot. You understand? The spike is always coming at the spot where you have the triangle. The triangle will never come before the spike or come after the spike. No. Let me say you got the sell signal and you're still trading, you're still buying. Kindly leave the market the moment you see the triangle, because the moment the triangle come up, there's going to be a very tough spike there at that spot. So I will advise you to leave the market at that spot the moment you see the triangle. You see this triangle at the top of the spike, below the spike. Now that is what the triangle at the top of the spike does. I'm going to tell you what the triangle below the spike does. Okay, yeah, let me say you got the triangle at the top of the spike, then the spike came up and the spike is still forming. You're not going to close the trade. You're not going to close the trade. You're still going to be in profit until the triangle below appears. Let me say the spike was coming down, then you now see another triangle below the spike. You understand? So guys, what I'm trying to say is that if you get the triangle at the top of the spike, then the spike comes up, then you get another triangle below the spike. That is where you're gonna know that the market is about to go up again. The market is about to buy again. That is if you were selling. So you're gonna close the market at that spot. Thanks for coming around this channel today. I love you guys so much.